A big triangle. Let Grandma see you draw a triangle. Good job. Look at you. Good job. Now draw another one.
Surprise!
That's not a triangle.
That's not a triangle.
Try again. No, stop looking at the phone. Just draw the triangle. Draw a triangle.
From why? Here.
That's not good. Do again. Draw a triangle.
Draw a triangle.
Do it again. That looks more like a square. Let's try again. Here, I'll draw one and then you draw one, okay?
Okay.
Here's my triangle.
Let's see, Grandma.
Now you draw one.
I draw a triangle. See a triangle. That's my phone.
Draw a triangle.
A JK?
Triangle.
A triangle? Okay.
Let me see. What are you doing? You were doing so good. Why are you acting like you don't know how to draw a triangle now?
I can't tell what's in the triangle.
I thought you knew how to do it.
Okay, I drew a number.
No, that's not what I said. I said triangle.
Oh. I can't make a triangle.
You can. You were doing it a minute ago.
Here you go. Make a triangle.
Devin, what's wrong with you? I said this is a triangle. Now you make one.
Okay, I make one. Let's see the triangle.
Okay, let me see. Devin, what is that? That's not a triangle. That looks like a blob.
Yeah.
You silly. This triangle right here.
Okay.
I'm going to show Gigi Pop. Okay, now do a good job.
I did it.
Let me see. That is a heart. I'm done with you.
That's not